Now we will solve the next sum. Before solving that, we will read the question well. A ball falls off a table and reaches the ground in 1 second. So from this statement itself or this sentence itself, we will get two values. The ball falling from a table, that means the initial velocity of the ball, that is 0. So initial velocity u is equal to 0 meter per second. Then from the table it is fallen. For that taken time 1 second. So t, that is equal to 1 second. Now assuming g means a gravitational force, that is equal to a. So we can write here g is equal to a, that is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now you need to find out which are things. Calculate its speed. That means initial velocity we found out. Now with velocity, that means the final velocity of the ball we have to find out. That is v equal to question mark. And the height of the table h, that is equal to s, that we have to find out. So in this question, two things we have to find out. First one, final velocity. Second one, height of the object. For finding that, we have to use or we have to apply kinematic equations. First I am writing all the three kinematic equations which are suitable ones for solving, that we will do it or use it. First one, v is equal to u plus at. First kinematic equation, v is equal to u plus at. Second one, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Third one, v square, that is equal to u square plus 2as. Now here v we have to find out. Now one more thing, in a formula two values are not there. We cannot use that formula. So let us see now. V we have to find out. For seeing v, either this or this formula we can use it. But which all values are given, let us see, then we will think. V we have to find out. U already given, a given and t given. So we can apply this formula. So here now v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to, u means 0 meter per second plus a means g, that is equal to 10 meter per second square into t. T means 1 second. Here now this is square and this second I am cancelling. After that what is there here now? This particular part also I am removing, because 0 meter per second, that means 0. So this part also I am removing. Remaining value we will put it. That means v is equal to now 10 meter per second. So therefore final velocity or the speed on reaching the ground is equal to, or the speed on or speed of the ball. Here ball is used, so we can write as speed of the ball on reaching the ground equal to 10 meter per second. Now here we have to find out one more thing, that is s. H is equal to s. For that we are having this formula. Then in that we are having u, we are having t, we are having a. So we can use this formula. That is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now s is equal to u, initial velocity 0 meter per second into t. T means 1 second plus half into A means G, that is equal to 10 meter per second square into T square. T 1 second into 1 second. 1 second square. Here T square given, so 1 second into 1 second. So which all things are possible to cancel? I am cancelling here. This and this cancel. This second and this second I cancelled. Now here this 2 and 10. In that 5 time it is going. Here 0 meter per second into 0 is there here. So because of that this whole value is becoming 0. So our answer is S is equal to here. This much value is getting 0 plus. Here the answer is 5 meter. So therefore S is equal to 5 meter. Then what is the question here asked? What will be the height of the table? Therefore we can write as therefore height of the table equal to 5 meter. Let us solve the next sum. We'll read the question first, then we will solve. If the mass of a planet is 8 times that of the Earth, Earth itself a planet, then one more planet. So two planets, its a comparison is happening. One thing Earth, then other planet. Now comparison with the mass of them. What is the mass of the Earth? It's 8 times more to the mass of the planet. Then radius of the planet is twice the radius of the Earth. What is the radius of the Earth? It's 2 times more the radius of the planet. Mass of the Earth how much? It's 8 times more mass of the planet. Then here the question, what will be the escape velocity of that planet? Escape velocity of Earth given here. Escape velocity of Earth is 11.2 kilometer per second. So once again we will read the question. Mass of the planet is 8 times mass of the, or 8 times. How much mass of the Earth is there? It's 8 times more. Other thing, radius of the planet is, what will be the radius of Earth? It's 2 times more. Then you have to find out escape velocity of that planet. Escape velocity of Earth given. Let us begin now. Here, mass of the planet, mass of the Earth, I am writing as M. Mass of the planet, I am writing as M1. Radius of Earth, I am writing as R. Radius of planet, I am writing as R1. So here mass of the Earth is M, mass of the planet is M1. Radius of the Earth is R, radius of the planet is R1. Now escape velocity of Earth. Escape velocity of Earth, I am writing as VE. Escape velocity of Earth, I am writing as V, that is equal to square root of 2gm upon R. Here now, escape velocity of VE. Earth means VE, escape velocity of Earth, that we can write as V then small e, escape velocity of Earth. It's a formula, what is that? Square root of 2 capital G capital M upon capital R. Now, escape velocity of planet. From this only we can write now, escape velocity of planet we can write as Vp, that is equal to square root of 2g. That means a common. Then here m1 is there. m1 upon r1. So here now escape velocity of earth Ve is equal to square root of 2gm upon r. Escape velocity of Vp, that is planet Vp, is equal to how much? Square root of 2gm1 upon r1. Now we will apply the values and we will find the ratio of both of them for finding escape velocity of planet. Now here Vp upon Ve, that is equal to square root of 2g. Now m1, it's a value I am writing. How much is there? m1 means how much is there? 8 times of m. Mass of the earth is m. It's 8 times more, that will be equal to m1. Then here rp, how much is there? That is r1. r1 how much is there? 2 times of r. This is radius of the earth, that is given r. Its 2 times will be there, that is equal to r1, that is the radius of the planet. Now 2g. Then here m1 is there. Instead of that I am writing here 8. Then m upon r1. r1 here how much is given? 2r. 2r. Now upon square root of Ve, that is escape velocity of earth, that is equal to 2gm upon r. Now here again fraction form is there, so I am writing it in such a way. See that Vp upon Ve, that is equal to, first this value I am writing square root of 2g8m upon 2r, then divided by square root of 2gm upon r. Now here this is in the form of fraction, so this division sign I am changing to multiplication sign. So Vp, that is escape velocity of planet, upon escape velocity of earth, that is equal to square root of 2g8m upon 2r into square root of, then it's a reciprocal I am writing, that is r upon 2gm. Now common ones we can cancel. So here now 2g and 2g I am cancelling. M and m I am cancelling. R and r I am cancelling. Now remaining what is there? 8 is there here, 2 is there. So this 2 and 8 I am cutting. So here you will get the answer 4. So here now Vp upon Ve, that is equal to square root of 4. Then here I am writing now, therefore Vp, ratio of escape velocity of planet upon escape velocity of earth. So here ratio of escape velocity of planet and earth, that is equal to how much? Square root of 4. That means how much will be? 2. Now from this we have to find out the value of escape velocity of which one? Planet. Therefore escape velocity of planet, that is equal to, here now division form is there, when it will go, it will be in the form of multiplication. So we can say that here escape velocity of planet, that is equal to 2 times of the escape velocity of earth. Now escape velocity of earth already we have got it. How much? 11.2 km per second. So therefore Vp is equal to 2 into escape velocity of the earth 11.2 kilometer per second. So our answer will be then escape velocity of planet, that is equal to 11.2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 decimal. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So our answer is 22.4 kilometer per second. Therefore, you can write the statement form: escape velocity of planet equal to 22.4 kilometer per second. Let us solve the new sum now. So before solving that, we will read the question well. Mahendra and Virat are sitting at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Their masses are 75 kg and 80 kg. What is the gravitational force between them? Capital G is given already, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Now we will put the values which are given. Here, distance between them we can write as small r, that is equal to 1 meter. Mass of Mahendra we can write as m1, that is equal to 75 kg. Mass of Virat we can write as small m2, that is equal to 80 kg. Capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. We have to find out gravitational force between them. So capital F, that is equal to question mark. For finding capital F, we are having one formula with us, that is capital F is equal to capital G into m1 into m2 upon r square. F is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square into m1, that is 75 kg into m2, that is 80 kg. Now upon r square, that is 1m whole square. Now in this case, this square and 1 kilogram cancelled, this kg and this kg removed. Now here meter square, here square removed, meter removed. Now F, that is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton into 75 into 80. This thing we have to multiply, then we will get the answer of F. That means the force between both of them, or the gravitational force between them. Want to find out, for that all these values we have to multiply. Then that much in Newton will be the answer. So first 75 into 80. For multiplying that, 0 I am putting here. Then with 8 we will multiply both the values. 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60. Now we are having 6000 we have got here. Multiply with these two values. 10 raised to minus 11 we will keep aside, and in the end we will write this value. With this we will multiply. That is now 6.67 multiplied by 6000. 3 zeros we will put here. Then with the 6 we will multiply. 6 7s are 42, carry 4. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40, carry 4. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40. Now here how many decimals? 2 decimals. So I am removing 2 decimals. So we are getting the answer now. F is equal to 400 20 into then 10 raised to minus 11 Newton. Now, if we want to reduce this value, then we can write this much writing, then also answer is complete. Or if you want to reduce this value, then we can write it as F is equal to 4 point, then 0020. That particular time. Here, after 4 decimal, 4 values we put the, after 4 digit we put the decimal. So because of that, from this minus 11, 4 we have to minus it. So our answer will be 10 raised to minus 7 Newton. If you are writing this much, then also your answer is complete. Or if you want to solve it up to 1 decimal form, that means here 4 points, such a way if you want to reduce the value, that is also acceptable.